Okay, so now we're on to the next slide, which is not a note card, okay? But you still need to know how to do these. This is practice. If we were in class together, I would give you all a little sheet of paper with this on it, and we would do a little drill about it and have a competition. Just things aren't that easy with COVID learning. It's just weird. So we're going to be choosing from angle, side, angle, 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 side, hypotenuse, leg, or none. Okay. Now I'm hoping when I made my key here that I went in order. But look, these now are going left to right. I know, hot mess central. So we're doing what number, get your scrap sheet of paper, number 1 to 10, a new set, and go ahead and see if you can figure these out. Go ahead and think about the markings, like number 2, they share a side. I'm going to have to mark. Number 4, they share a side. Number 6, we have some vertical angles. 8's wonky wonky. Okay, so go ahead and try these. Pause me and try them. Okay, so I went in and did some markings here on number 2. I knew there would be 2 tick marks right there. You could really do as many as you wanted to, just not use one since that was already used. Number 4, there was a shared side, so I put 1 tick mark. Number 6, I had vertical angles. Number 8, we know this little part is congruent to this little part, and that's its own thing. It's the same length, so I put 3 tick marks there. So we ultimately know that the bottom of this triangle is congruent to the top of this triangle, okay? So with that being said, right here, what would this be? We have an included side. We have the appropriate arcs marked. So number 1 would be, oh goodness, would be angle, side, angle. All right. Now number 2, it's easier sometimes to see these. I was saying in the last one, but I didn't actually show you. If you cover up one of the triangles, when this happens, when they're smushed together, it's sometimes easier to see. We have a right angle. We know a hypotenuse and a leg. So if I go over here and cover this one up, whoops, we have a right angle and we know the hypotenuse and the leg. So we can say that number 2, those 2 triangles smushed together are congruent by hypotenuse leg. On number 3, we have a non-included angle, 1 tick mark, 2 tick marks. We have a non-included angle, 1 tick mark, 2 tick marks. So can we say that those are congruent on number 3? We cannot, because that would be angle, side, side, and that's bad. We can't have that acronym, angle, side, side. No, 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 no. So number 3 is none. All right. Number 4, again, you can cover up one of the triangles, and you'll see that we have an angle, 1 arc, 2 arc angle, and then a side. And then over here, one arc, 2 arcs, and then a side. Even though they may not look congruent, they are, and we can say that number 4 are congruent by angle, angle, side. Okay. Now number 5, these are the easy ones. We have an included side, and we have appropriate angle marking, so that's angle, side, angle. Number 6, I need to talk to you about this one. This is definitely an honors level question. Number 6 is, we have those vertical angles and we want to say hypotenuse leg because we have a right angle, and that's the one we use with the right angle. But look, I've got the hypotenuse, but I don't know anything about the legs. So I can't do that. And then I could do angle, angle, side. I could do that. Look, right angle, 1 arc, side. Right angle, 1 arc, side. So I wanted to tell you that that's an option. But you also could do, if I know that 2 angles of this triangle are congruent to 2 angles of this triangle, what do we know about the third angle? We know those third angles are congruent. So we really could use angle, side, angle as well if we go and we realize that that third angle must be congruent to that third angle. But I'm just going to keep it as angle, angle, side because that's probably what you would do first. But it's not HL because you have to have a leg and a leg, and we don't have that here. Number 7, it's nothing. I don't have enough markings. I don't have enough information. I just have a right angle and a leg. Number 8, we know that this side is congruent to this side, and so it would be hypotenuse leg because of the right angle. Number 9, angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. Okay, so number 9 is angle, side, angle. And then number 10, angle, angle, side. Awesome. Rewind me, pause me, look back over that if you need to. All right. Now we got the Mac Daddies right here. So this is where we got all of it mixed together. There's 18 of them. And then I have a whole nother page of it. So we're going to be doing some stuff with this. So wait till the next video.